last time you sat down and you planned your topic? You chose an animal, you chose what the animal wants to do, and what a problem might be. We also talked about emotions that we might want to have happen in our poem. Now we're going to talk a little bit about word choice. When you write, you want to make details really, really clear for your writer. For your reader. And that means choosing things that are going to make a clear picture. So we've got this picture of the fish right here. And we have words like splashing, scaly, smelly, slippery, glimmering, fast, golden, gliding, slimy. And we could take and we could add more words like slinky. We could add swift, kind of on an alliteration head. But we could go on and on as many words as we want. You guys are now going to get to use a new tool on Wonders. So you're going to start by logging in to your Wonders account. And this time we're going to come down to this button right here that says Write. It's the purple one right at the bottom. You're going to click on it and it will open you up to this page. Notice we're not doing Unit 1. We are doing Unit 2. And the second one is called a rhyming poem. You're going to click on rhyming poem and you're going to start the assignment. You'll see right here is a word bank. So you're going to think, okay, I want to talk about my cat Lyra. She wants to get to the cat food first so that mom doesn't feed Kiva first. So coming to my word bank, I'm going to write words that describe my little Lyra. For example, I could say swift. I could say calico, because that's her color. I could say silky, because she's soft. She's also very thin. She's obnoxious, but I'm having a mind blank and can't spell it, so I'm going to go with annoying. She's bossy and rude. I could say that she's thundering loud. She has a whip-like tail. She likes to swing it back and forth. And I want you to fill in at least 9 boxes of descriptive words. Now this is a really, really, really important part. Unlike a Google Doc, you have to hit save. If you do not hit save, everything on here is going to go away. So you have to hit save. Then we're going to think about drafting our poem. So you're going to come over here and think about specific details, like webbed feet slapping, wild waddle that we had in our poem about the goose. And I want you to think about words that rhyme. So over here in my chart, I've got, bossy. So I might say, bossy as a baby, because that rhymes. I might say, whip-like tail swings back and forth. And I could go on and on, and I want you to put at least 3 specific details. If you can include rhyme, do it, like bossy and baby. Go ahead and hit pause now to fill out your chart. Finally, you're going to come back here and you're going to go to the second tab here and you're going to hit draft. Now this is where you're actually going to type. Now, really cool, over here if you hit view my graphic organizer, it'll pull up all those cool words that you wrote down. And you can take now and write your poem. So I might say, my baby kitten Lyra always wants the food. Swish, swish, swish goes her tail as she stares down the trail. She follows me around all morning, yowling loud, asking me to feed her before sister eats. But there is Kiva waiting, sitting patiently as a black hole. We're wondering why I'd feed the little annoyance first. Padding down the steps I go, Lyra twirling at my feet. Can she be fed first today? Maybe. If she... Oh, I ran out of creativity there, so that's okay. Maybe if she's quick. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be this long. Yours should be at least 4 lines of writing. You decide what's in it. But remember, add those descriptive details. And if you can rhyme, do it, like tail and trail here. Good luck writing. When you're done, make sure that you hit save up here. It's very annoying that it's not in the same place, but you have to hit save up here. So hit save, and it'll be saved. If you don't hit save, then when you go back and forth, it's going to get disappeared. So here example, if I erase all my work, and I put something new, and I don't hit save, when I go back to plan and then draft or exit out, this will not always save. So be careful. You always, always, always hit that save just to be safe. Happy writing!